Good morning, welcome to the Fit to Flourish podcast. Let's talk wellness, finance, and growth. What's up, guys? Mr. Fit to Flourish here, and today was the start of the $500 growth account. Okay, I don't want to hear anyone say challenge because that just implies that you can't do it. And a lot of people keep saying challenge, and then it makes them think like, oh man, this is challenging. It's not challenging. It's really easy. So I just want to call this is called the $500 growth account because we're going to grow this thing to $1 million bajillion dollars for real though. Done it before. Let's do it again. But we're documenting it this time, and I know a lot of people are very excited for this. The Discord is extremely excited, and everyone made a lot of money today. So, and got our accounts jumping, right? So today is March 24th, 2025, and we're starting our accounts at $500. A lot of people in the Discord are following. If you want a free 3-day trial, the link is below. You can make some shmoney with us in this $500 account challenge, growth account. Sorry. And then you can also look at all of the materials and stuff that we have. I go live every day. K5 and myself, we go live in the mornings. And then at night, I go live and I review all the charts. Any chart anyone wants to see, I answer every question. So link in the description below. But anyways, $500 growth account started today. And let's take a look at how it is going day one. Okay, so green. Let's go to the screen. This is one. Here. All right, so today 9:06 a.m. got put $500 in this Robinhood account. So we're starting off with $500. Again, keep in mind this is going to be a cash account. So what does that mean? That means that whatever money you use that day, you cannot use any more money than what you have at the beginning of the day. So if I have $500 at the beginning of the day and I go to $10,000 on a trade, well, I can't use that 10K because all I had to start the day off was 500. So that's how a cash account works. So I used the 500. Now I can't use anything else, even if I made 10,000. That has to settle into tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll be able to use the 10,000. And if I use all of the 10,000, then I have nothing else to use for the rest of the day. I'll have to wait for the whatever to settle. Okay, so that's how a cash account works. Now I'm used to trading on margin accounts. So that means that on margin accounts, you have to have over 25K in your trading account. And basically what happens is whatever money you use, it just gets recycled back. So if you use 25K and you made 100K, now you have 100K that you can trade with. If you now have that 100K, you trade it the same day, you go to 200K, well, you could use that 200K to trade with. So whatever you're making that day, you just kind of keep recycling, and you can use whatever it is that you're making, and whatever you have in your account, you can use everything. But cash account, you can't. Okay, so that's the difference. A lot of people don't know that. And in a cash account, cash accounts are typically accounts less than 25K, but you can have a cash account more than 25K, but to have a margin account, you have to have more than 25K. And if you do have a margin account with less than 25K, you can only make 3 day trades in a week. Something interesting to note, okay? Anyways, so started off with $500, and then we ended the day up 28%. So I'm only looking, the goal of this is to make $100 a day for the first 3 to 4 weeks, really. First 3 to 4 weeks. So for about the first month, I just want to make $100 a day, okay? And that's pretty simple. All I'm looking for is 25% gains. Okay, just looking for 25% gains, and or 20% gains. Sorry, 20% gains, and I'm risking $500. So I'm putting $500 in, looking for $100 out. Okay, that's pretty simple. We in our Discord, we usually alert a lot of plays and take only plays that are pretty fire. Okay, so this actually ended up going 123%. But I exited really early just because I was like, hey guys, yeah, just looking for 20%. Don't really care. Just trying to build this account. Okay. So I took the money and ran, and a lot of people were able to make to make the same play and take the same play. So it was really good. Okay, so really good stuff. So day one, we're up $142, 28% on this growth account. All right. So let's talk about what play was I looking at. So there were a couple of stocks I was looking at. I was looking at Amazon, but it just kind of ripped up early morning. A little bit too quickly. It was kind of annoying. So I was really looking to take calls on Amazon, but it was tricky in the morning because we had this huge topside wick. It just didn't play out too well. The volume R side was pretty big, but not really much of a setup. So it kind of pissed me off. So I was like, okay, what's setting up still? So we had NVIDIA, Schmidia. So I also called out NVIDIA for some people. I didn't take this myself because my entry was going to be bad, but this worked out pretty well as well. And then what I did take was I took IWM. So IWM kind of created this range, okay? Created this range in the first 15 minutes of the day. And it kind of wasn't breaking out of this range, okay? It was in this range for quite a while. and it was the only stock really that hadn't made a real big move. So finally, we got this break out of the range, and it broke above the 100% expected move for the day. But that was fine. Oh dang, it's actually breaking down right now. This would be good for puts. Yeah, dang, this looks really good. IWM is setting up. I'm gonna alert this in the Discord real quick. Be careful on fades, but I'm gonna alert this. And this is 207. All right. So, anyways, so what I was looking for was the breakout. Just alerted that in the Discord. All right. So, what I was looking for was the breakout. But this is a good breakdown here. We just broke structure, getting a 920 crossover to the downside. Volume R size super low. This is a really good setup here for puts. Watch this thing go. Anyway, so we looked at this breakout to the upside. Alrighty. So, man, keep learning stuff. Anyways, I had to break out to the upside, and then target was going to be 208.67, and then another potential move up to 209.75. That was a little bit too much of a move. I didn't expect that to happen, so I didn't think it would happen. But yeah, so we took calls here, and then ended up exiting up near 208.44 because we were up at 30% already. Could have left this in, and up at these highs when we hit the target, we ended up over 100%. But now, yeah, if you could tell here, now we're getting this nice downside move. We got a break of structure here, which just means we broke below the previous low. Nice bear bar here, and then the 9MA is about to cross the 20MA. The volume RSI is extremely low, so there's a lot of selling pressure. Likely going to come back to these lows here. So this is the type of play that really should be waiting for on this this growth account. This can significantly increase this growth account very quickly. Huge downside move. All right. But yeah, that was just a quick play. And what was it? Remember, it was a breakout. Why did I take it? Because the volume RSI was pretty big, showing me there's a lot of up volume. We broke above these this range, above these highs, which means that now we're in search of a new high. Price goes into discovery mode, and we made this big nice move. All right. So that is that. So yeah, today on the account, we